Nandito na rin lang tayo sa Tagaytay. Ito yung history niya. 1572, basahin nyo na lang yan. 1754, basahin nyo na rin lang yan. 1911, yan, basahin nyo na lang yan. Tapos, yan, 1920, 1930s, 1936. So, itong presidente na to si, yung sa 50 pesos, kinsa na siya? Manuel Quezon Rojas. Opo. Tapos ito, 1920s, General Emilio Aguinaldo. Ay, Manuel Quezon. Sige lang, na-tissue dito. 1938. Sige lang, bawal man ako doon. 1938, Douglas, Manila Hotel. 1939, 1942 to 1944. 1960. 1965. 1988. 1999. 2023, 2028, 2008, 2014, tsaka yan. Nag-close in 2014, Taal Vista Hotel celebrated its 75th anniversary with a year-long program of activities to commemorate its continuing operation as the second oldest hotel in the country. Wow, napaka-oldest. Napakaluma na pala ito. The hotel hosted many important international gatherings including the ministerial meetings of the Asia-Pacific Economic APEC Summit 2015 and the Association of Southeast Asia Nation ASEAN Summit 2017. Today, Taal Vista Hotel remains a landmark deeply entrenched in history and so grabe. Ito ang history. Bahala na kayo magbasa. Okay. So, yon. Short lang po natin. Ito po si Ma'am Miriam, Defensor Santiago. Kasama po si Cristohanong TV Music. 3 million views. Shout out, shout out.
Gamay, maliit na bagay yan. 3.3.